Tyrese Haliburton's first signature basketball shoe, the PUMA Hali 1, has finally been revealed by PUMA Hoops following months of anticipation and sporadic teasers. The pair, which was designed by Salehe Bembury, who joined last summer, is relatively comparable to the All-Pro NITROTM Haliburton that he has worn for the majority of the 2024-25 NBA season. Although the technical details are still unknown, a cursory look at the Hali 1 reveals an aggressive midfoot shank, an X-shaped stiffening agent, a tried-and-true NITROTM foam midsole, complete with Bembury's distinctive contouring, and traction patterned like a herringbone. The Los Angeles-based creative Tyrese Haliburton's new symbol and Puma's cat mark are prominently displayed. PUMA Hoops Hali 1 will make its debut in a hibiscus color scheme during the first game of the 2025 NBA Finals. Check out the Hali 1 hibiscus preview.